I'm Felicia and welcome back to Felicia Marie TV. This is my little sister Destiny. Hi. Today she is going to teach me a whole bunch of makeup skills. She is really into makeup. You're going to be a makeup artist? You're trained to be a makeup artist? She knows what she's doing. This girl's been practicing for years. So she is going to show me and she's going to talk along the way. Okay, so today we're doing this gold, like, shimmery... Is this a cut crease?
Yep.
This is a gold shimmery cut crease. I'm learning all the terms, you guys, and Destiny's just going to talk me along the way. So, you told me to start with my transition shade.
Yes. Well, first you need primer.
Oh, yeah, primer. See? I'm not paying attention, y'all. Okay, is that good?
Yep.
And then I blend it.
You could blend it in with a beauty blender or anything.
Okay. Oh, thank you. Do I use this end or this one?
Whichever one you want. Okay, so now you need to pick a transition shade.
Okay, and this one is the one we use for transition, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to show you guys. This is the MAC Warm Neutrals palette. I am using, let me point to it, I'm using this shade as my transition shade. Okay, so what brush do I use?
You could take a fluffy brush like this.
Okay, so we're going to use a fluffy brush. This is from Wet n Wild. This is from Wet n Wild. We got this at Dollar Tree. So you said I don't want a lot of product on it, so I'm going to go like this.
Yeah,
and then tap it.
And tap on the side.
Okay.
And work it into your transition color.
Okay, so transition is right here, right?
Oh, yep.
And do I like, how do I apply? Do I dab it on?
You can do the dab motion, you can do the swirly motion.
Okay, let me start with dab. You guys, we're looking, oh, I can see it. Oh my gosh, I can see the difference. Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, we're looking into the mirror down below us just because I'm still learning. I can't look into the monitor right now, just so you know. Okay, is that good or more?
That's good.
Okay.
Okay, now you're going to start building up the color in your crease.
Okay.
So for the color in the crease, you use a brown that's a little bit more darker than that. So you could start off with this one, you could use this one,
That's pretty. That's a
you
shimmer.
could use that one.
Let me see. I'm going to use that one because it's a little bit of a shimmer.
Okay.
This is the Black Radiance Nude Attitude palette. We're using this one in my crease. Okay, in my crease. So I'm going to get, same brush?
Yep.
Okay, so into the crease here.
Yes.
Okay.
The outer crease.
Outer crease over here.
Yes, and work your way in.
Ooh, that looks good. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You guys, Destiny is teaching me all the eye terms, like outer crease, inner crease. Like, I don't know any of these, so I'm still learning. Okay.
That's good. And you could take a brush like this.
Like this. Okay.
With no makeup on it, no product on it.
Okay.
And blend the outer crease and work your way in.
Okay. So blend is the swirly motion, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I swear, in a year, me and you were gonna look back on this video like, oh my gosh, what were we doing? Okay, more or blend? Or is it good?
And always remember to blend it up into the transition so there's no harsh lines.
Okay, got it.
There you go. So now you could build up the outer V more, which is you could make it darker here, and you could take this brush and you could pick, you could do that color, that color, anything really dark.
Okay. Ooh, that's pretty.
That has a little bit of shimmer. Or you could start off with this color, which is really pigmented, but take a little bit on your brush and you could just dab it in and work your pigmentation up.
Okay.
Because this is the palette that's really easy to work with.
Yeah, let me try that one.
This one.
That's so cute. Where'd you get that?
Rainbow.
Ooh, okay, this is the Smokey palette from Rainbow, and she said this is one of her best palettes. Okay, so I'll try that one, and we're using this one?
This one or this one?
I'm gonna try that one. That has shimmer. Okay, so I get a little bit of product and I tap it, right?
Yep.
Is that enough product?
Mhm.
Okay, and then this is my outer V.
Outer V.
Okay.
Focus on the outer V, so you could dab into the outer V and get it as dark as you'd like, and then you could take a brush with no pigment on it and
Blend
blend.
it. Okay. Oh, it is really pigmented.
Yeah.
Sometimes I'm doing my makeup and I can't see it, but I can see this. Okay, is that good?
Mhm. Take this and blend it into your inner corner.
So windshield wiper.
Yep, windshield wiper. And then remember to windshield wiper up into the transition too.
Got it. Ooh, I'm learning so much. Okay, is that good?
Mhm.
Okay. Ooh, I'm nervous. I don't want to mess it up.
So now you can take this shade and you could use the same little brush.
Tiny brush.
So you can go like this.
Cool.
Take that and put it into the middle part of your crease.
So right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then blend it to your inner corner.
To the inner corner right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that it goes from dark and it gets lighter.
Got it. Okay, should I blend it now?
Yep.
All right. With this brush?
Mhm.
Okay. I feel like I'm learning so much today. Like, I couldn't even learn this from all the tutorials I was watching. Okay, cool. Ooh.
Okay. And now you could take this one with this rusty orange shade from the Smokey palette. Take a little bit.
That's pretty. Okay, so
And
we're
you could put this above your transition, like right over your transition shade.
so almost to the brow bone.
Yes,
Okay.
almost to the brow bone. So
And
that,
like this.
yep, windshield wiper motion. And that's gonna make your eyes look bigger. It's gonna
Ooh.
blend the browns and the darker shades.
I like this already. Okay. Good or more? Good.
And always remember, don't forget your inner corner.
Got it.
And you can do motions like this or like this.
Got it. Ooh, it looks cute.
Okay. So now we just have to build a little bit more
Alright.
in the crease.
Okay.
So you could take that color on that same little brush.
The tiny brush. This one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This color?
Yep.
Alright. Okay, and we're doing this on the
And focus it right here.
right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Focus it right there still. Perfect. And work your way in. And then blend.
Ooh, I feel like I'm learning so much. Okay, guys, so we are gonna start the crease now. So you said I use concealer.
Mm-hmm. Take a little bit on your hand.
Got it. We're using a little bit of concealer.
Take that much. And this concealer is perfect. Since it's a little bit wet, it's easy to blend out.
Oh.
So you don't have to use as much.
Okay.
And even if you put too much, it'll be good.
Okay, good. So my crease is right. Hold on, let me look in the mirror. I can see the crease right there, so I want to draw the line right on it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ooh, I'm so nervous. Okay, so do I start in the middle?
You start, it's easier to start out from this end
Mhm.
and work your way in, or if you start from the inner corner.
Inner corner. Okay. Let me try that. Okay, that's messy, but is that good?
Yeah.
I know that is a messy one. Okay.
There you go.
Oh, there we go. Much better. See, you guys, I can't draw a straight line to save my life, so Destiny's helping me out.
And
Okay.
you can just take that light color
Okay.
and just pack it
Same
on top.
brush?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're going to use the same brush and this light color. Oh, there we go. I'm sitting out the frame. This one right here?
Yeah.
Okay. And pack it on.
Mhm.
Like a dab?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is Destiny's first makeup palette.
Ever. I still got it.
I know a lot of makeup artists who are like, they always keep their first, just to be nostalgic.
Yeah.
More?
Mm-hmm.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool.
Okay. But this only goes right on the top of your crease.
So, right here? Or higher?
Basically, put that shadow on the line where the concealer starts and where the dark shadow starts.
Okay, gotcha.
So right where that meets.
Right there. Okay. So we're using, this is the MAC Warm Neutral palette. We're using this one, and it's going right above my crease line.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, I'm so nervous. This is like the part where it gets detailed. So right here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And I dab it on?
First, do the little stroke of a line.
Okay.
And then if that's not enough pigmentation, then you could just add more.
Okay. Ooh, that's cute. Okay, let me do it one more time. Good? Or more?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I'm excited. Oh, okay. My problem is I get excited and I try to do stuff quickly, and then I mess it up. Okay, good?
Mm-hmm. And you can take a brush like that and just blend.
Got it. Okay.
Now you could put that on the inside and the outer corner.
Okay, so like right here.
Yep.
And then over here.
Mm-hmm.
Do I bring it all the way across or just do it like here and then here?
Just there and there.
Okay, got it. So we are using, which one is this one? We're using a Black Radiance Artisan Color Baked Bronzer in the color 3520 Flawless. You guys know I have a whole bunch of Black Radiance stuff from my aunt. Okay, so.
You put the lightest color in the middle because it makes your eyes look bigger.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna go to We are using this color right here in the middle. Good?
Mm-hmm. Now take a little bit more of the orangey shade
Got it.
and windshield wiper on your lid.
Okay, so we're using this one. And where are we putting it?
On your lid.
Like right here.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, oh my gosh, it actually looks like this eye. I swore it was gonna, you know how they say like eyebrows are sisters, not twins? This one was gonna be like a brother and this one was gonna be a sister. Oh my god. Okay, what do I do next?
So to sharpen up that line.
Okay, got it. So we're using the same color we just used, but we're using, what do you use this? Like a thinner brush? Like a wider brush?
Yeah,
Okay.
thinner, more compact.
So I put
brush.
it on my crease line.
Yeah.
Okay.
And try to make it even and straight how the other one
This
is.
one is. Okay, got it.
This one, and put that all over your crease to make it even toned like the other one.
Okay, got it. And windshield wiper.
Mm-hmm.
Which color was that?
This one.
Okay, got it. Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, got it. Good?
Yep.
Okay.
This Wet n Wild palette.
Ooh, okay, I see.
Just to make it more defined.
Yeah.
And then gold shade from the MAC palette.
Oh, that looks so pretty.
And then you can take the same color.
Ooh, okay, I see.
Now liner.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so Destiny taught me a liner trick. So you use something like hard and firm, and I line this up at the bottom of my eyelid, the bottom of my eye, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then I turn it so that it's at the corner.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good.
And I'll hold it.
Perfect. Okay, it's messy, but it's better.
Yeah.
Better than the first time.
Okay. So now, so the trick for the outer corner is, see?
Oh wow, that looks good. Okay, so what's your trick?
The trick is to go up, try to make the top line as sharp as you can. And then I would go with the natural creases in your eye, because everybody has natural creases in their eye.
Right there.
So the lowest natural crease that you have will line up where to put the liner
Okay,
for
good.
your eye shape. Because everybody has a different eye shape.
Okay, so that's easy. Easier than I thought.
And then you just work your way
To the inner corner.
in.
Oh, that's pretty. I'm gonna make TJ take me out on a date. I gotta go out. I look too cute.
Okay.
Oh, it looks so pretty. Okay, so I need to practice the most my eyeliner application. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
And that's how you cut your crease.
It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I feel like I've learned so much. You're like the best teacher. It's so helpful. You guys, I'm gonna bring Destiny on all the time because she's such a good teacher. I'm gonna take like pictures up close of this when we're done. But this looks so cute. Oh, I never even showed them the eye look we were going for. So we were going for this eye look. We found this on Pinterest, and Destiny did a good job recreating this. You guys see? And she did a good job teaching me, because we spent like, what, a good half hour on the first eye?
Yep.
It's going to take me like an hour just to do my eyes, but it looks so pretty. I really love this.
Yeah, so it's so much fun.
Thank you!
You're welcome.
You're the best. It's so cute. Ooh, and let's play with some Jackie Eye powder. I'm going to put that on my highlight.
Okay.
Because I love me some highlighter. Before I ever got like serious into makeup, highlighter was my thing. Like last year, I spent so much money on like highlighters and lipsticks because that just used to be my thing. Did you try this on?
No, I tried this gold one.
Oh, that one's pretty. I forgot to tap it. I put way too much on. When I first tried this out, I did like a demo video and I seriously put so much on, like my whole face was just covered, like glowing. And I went out like that. I went out and like you could see when I turned in the sun how much highlighter I had on.
The highlight is really good on your skin tone.
I love this one. It's perfect.
Oh shit.
Glistening! Yes, I'm Cleopatra. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. Destiny did a really good job teaching me. This is like a teach-along, and I love this type of video because I seriously learned so much. What did I learn? I learned all the terms of the eyes, transition, inner corner, crease. I learned about concealer. Like, listen, in a year we're going to be looking at this like, oh my god.
Yes.
Because I'm about to be on and popping, you guys. This is so pretty. I love this. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We have to do this all the time.
Yep.
Oh, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, comment down below. If you want to see more videos from Destiny, comment and tell her, start your channel, girl. She's starting a YouTube channel soon, and you can see a whole bunch of makeup tutorials and fun videos from her. If you would like to follow me, I'm on social media. I'm on Pinterest, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I'm at Felicia Marie TV. Thank you so much for watching, and have a beautiful day.